Please wait while we connect your phone call. Please leave your message for 7. Please enter your 10-digit phone number. Please enter your password, then press pound. I will be helping you set up your voicemail in 3 easy steps: creating a password, recording your name, and creating a greeting. You will need to create a new password. Otherwise, you will be prompted again the next time you call your voicemail. Let's get started by creating a password. Enter your new 4 to 9-digit password. Then press the pound sign. If you are satisfied with your password, press pound. To change your password, press star. To require your password each time you call your voicemail, press 1. To leave this feature off, call your mailbox. Next, you will record your name. At the tone, please speak your first and last name, then press pound. Your name is. If you are satisfied with your recorded name, press 1. To erase,
Your account balance is running low. You can talk up to 1 minute.
if you would like to use your name as your greeting and skip to the end of your voicemail setup, press 2. Your callers will be greeted with your recorded name. Congratulations! Please wait while we connect your phone call. Please leave your message. Please enter your password, then press pound. You have 1 new voice message. New message 01707. Your verification code is 901707. Your verification code is 901707. To replay this message, press 1. Then, to return the message sender's call, press 8. To save, press 9. For more options, press 6. To replay this message, press 1. To delete, press 7. To return the message sender's call, press 8. To save, press 9. For more options, press 6.